Two dog owners often chat at the park while their dogs play. One day their casual conversation turns into a heated debate over whose dog is the smartest. The first owner, a proud man with a gleam in his eye, is quick to boast about his pet's extraordinary abilities. "You won't believe how smart my dog is," he starts. "Every single morning, like clockwork, he leaves the house at 6 a.m. sharp. First, he heads straight to the corner store and buys me a sesame seed bagel with chive cream cheese. Exactly how I like it. Then he trots over to the local cafe and picks up a mocha latte for me. The barista even knows him by name now. After that, he hurries back home, pushes open the front door with his nose, and somehow even turns the TV onto the football channel. All before I've even rolled out of bed." The second owner, who's been listening patiently, just nods along. "I know," he says calmly, as if this incredible story is no big deal. The first owner blinks, taken aback by his response. "Wait, what do you mean you know?" he asks suspiciously. With a nonchalant expression, the second owner replies, "My dog told me."